What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to discuss how to buy dividend stocks on Wealthsimple. So let's start. Wealthsimple offers cutting-edge technology, low fees, and personalized service for your investing needs. Let's dive into how you can start investing in dividend stocks with Wealthsimple. Dividend stocks pay out regular dividends to shareholders, making them attractive for long-term financial goals. They can be reinvested through DRIPs for compounded growth. To begin, decide whether you want to buy individual dividend-paying stocks or dividend ETFs. Research companies' historical dividend payments and financial stability before investing. Understanding the types of dividends, cash, property, or stock dividends. Consider how each type aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Research the dividend yield to gauge potential returns. High yields may indicate higher dividends, but remember to consider other factors before making investment decisions. Be aware of tax implications on dividends. Report them as income in your tax return and differentiate between qualified and non-qualified dividends for tax purposes. Investing in dividend stocks can provide a steady income stream and potential growth through DRIPs. However, avoid over-reliance on them for diversification and risk management. Benefit from diversified investments while reinvesting dividends for long-term growth. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.